All right, third grade. Um, we are going to do, I think this is kind of fun. It's called Character Creator. Okay, we're going to be able to learn how to create characters and tinker and animate them. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to click on Tinker. That should take you to here. If you click on My Classes, okay, on Tinker, okay, click on the Home button. Okay, you click on Programming 101. All right. And then I find where it says Lesson 7, Character Creator. And we're going to first go through our concepts. Make sure my sound is on.
In this lesson, we'll learn about advanced animation using the Character Creator. We can use the Animate and Wait blocks to animate characters created using the Character Creator. We'll also learn how to set or change different parts of an actor, such as face, arms, legs, chest, etc. Animate, and wait. Set part.
So we're going to start with Animate.
The Animate block is an animation block that does not wait for the animation to finish. Using the Animate block, you can make an actor do several things at the same time. For example, if you want to animate an actor to walk and move at the same time, you can use the Animate block. Try clicking on the block to see how the Animate block works. Click on me when you want to finish.
Okay, so if I click here, see he's animating, he's walking, showing the animation, and he's moving. Okay.
The Animate and Wait block is another animation block that does wait for the animation to finish. This block allows you to sequence multiple animations in a specific order. For example, you can make an actor dance and then make the actor laugh. Let's make the trooper first dance and then kick. Click on the code block to see how it works.
Okay.
Click on me when you want to finish.
So if I hit When I Receive Dance, he's telling them to dance and then kick. Dance and then kick.
This is the Set Part block. You can use the Set Part block to change or add a body part to an actor created using the Character Creator. Use the Set Part block to give your actor new props, different hair, legs, body, arms, etc. during a game. This is a great way to add power-ups to your actor. Try clicking on the blocks now to see them in action.
Okay.
Click on me when you want to finish.
So when she, imagine yourself, you're running along a game. So for instance, you're running along in Roblox and you go pick up something that actually changes. So if I click, oh, he has a sword. So he's running along and he picks up a sword, then that changes his left prop, changes his legs, his body, okay, chest, right arm. So those are things that you can, make your characters look like they're changing throughout your program.
In this lesson, we'll play more with the advanced animation blocks. Let's get started.
Ha ha! I have taken your power shield. You are now powerless against me.
Ha! You'll never win. I'll get back my power. Try this project, then create your own walking hero. Move the knight around using the arrow keys.
Okay, so if I use left, up, down, right, left, okay, see, so that's what we're going to be doing, okay?
Move the hero. Program a heroic knight to run around a grassy field. In this project, you will animate the knight, add keyboard commands to move the knight. Walking around. Program the hero actor to walk forward and then stand still. Add these blocks to the on-start code. Your code may look like this.
So this is what I added to the on-start right here, okay? So this was already here, Okay, then I'm adding this. Okay, see how my code looks like that? That's what I want.
Run around. Program the hero to run around when the keyboard arrows are pressed. Make sure to program up, down, left, and right movement.
Okay, so let's pretend that I don't actually, let's get rid of all this. So I'm going to get rid of this so you guys can see. I'm going to start over. Okay, when up arrow pressed, okay, that's what I want. Okay, so the other thing is I have to then make sure to program up, down, left, and right. So then I have to go, if he's when down arrow pressed, okay, point down. Okay, when left arrow pressed, point left. Okay, when right arrow pressed, point right. Just like that. That's what we want. Now,
Congratulations! You programmed a heroic knight. Press the button below to run your program. Can you add attack animations to the hero?
okay, so here's the thing is, if I want, okay, I can change my hero. I don't have to keep that hero. Say I want to do, okay, I want to do a cowgirl. I hit save. Okay, so all I did was click on the pencil to edit. Okay, now if I press play, now if I want to animate the attack, watch this. When I press the up, okay, she's attacking. When I press down, I press up. Oh, that's what they were talking about. Can you program different ones?
Can you fix the code to make the race car come first, cowboy second, and zombie third?
Okay, so here's the thing is that, okay, we want the zombie to run, but we only want him to run 20 pixels at a time, but he want him to run slower too. We want that 0.1, okay, 0.1. So that's the zombie. Then I'm gonna go to the cowboy. Cowboy is gonna run, and we want to leave him alone. His code is just fine, so don't touch the code, okay? And then we're going to go to the car. Well, the car doesn't animate run, okay? Because the car does not run. Like it drives, but it doesn't have like a run costume. It doesn't have legs. So we want him to go a little faster. So we're going to change this weight block to 0.01. Okay, so review. Okay, zombie, he's going to run at 20 pixels. Okay, wait 0.1 seconds. Don't touch the cowboy. Then I'm going to click on the car. He's going to move 20 pixels, but then he's going to wait 0.01. So if I press play, the car came in first, the cowboy comes in second, and the zombie comes in third. That's what we want.
Use the arrow keys to move the hero around and collect items. Then code your own version of this project.
So if I hit play, so watch this. When he goes and gets his sword, see how his looks like he now has a sword in his hand. Okay. So
Epic Quest Game. Program your heroic knight to pick up items and avoid enemies. In this project, you will animate your hero, add items for your hero to pick up, program your hero's movement, move the hero. The code for the up and down arrow keys is provided. Program the hero to move left and right when the right and left arrow keys are pressed. Your code should look like this.
okay, it says the up and down were already given to us. So I'm leaving that alone. So then I'm programming him. This is what I want to do when left arrow press, point in direction, -90, animate run, move. And then I also drag out another one. So I drag this out, and now I'm going to drag it out for a right arrow. So I have to do this 2 times. Point in direction, okay, 90, okay, animate run, move. Now, we do not have to keep our same hero. Again, you can choose whatever. If you click on the pencil, you can choose a different hero. I'm going to do FBI this time. Okay. Now, there's my FBI. Now,
Program an item. 1. Make the sword visible at the beginning of the game. Attach this block to the On Start block. 2. Make the sword invisible when the hero touches it. This will make it look like the hero has picked up the sword.
okay.
Your code should look like this.
Now, if I click on, oh, that's not what I wanted. If I want to choose a different thing, I just click Add Costume. Okay, what should my FBI pick up? Let's look adventure. No. Yeah. Okay. I'll just do the sword. That's what's easiest. Okay, I'll just keep it at sword. The FBI agent could just have a sword. Okay, so then I hit, so when touching hero, okay. All right. So
Equip the
then-
sword. Use the Set Part block with the value blank, so the hero starts the game without items. Attach this block to the On Start block. 2. Program the hero to
Yep,
equip
this
the
is what I
sword
did
when he
right here.
touches it.
So
Your
I'm just
code should
adding.
look like this. Press the button below to check your work.
So we should have, what happens is we have this code when touching sword occurs, okay? And then you can set your right props to whatever you want, okay? Let's see what happens. I just like to, so then I'm going to make her run up. And now instead of a sword, I changed her to have a nightstick in her hand. So that was the whole goal. The whole point is, see how okay? So when I press play, her hands are empty. She doesn't have anything in it. But when I click on the sword, when I get her to the sword, she changes to having a nightstick in her hand, okay? So that's the whole point. I can just click here and see what happens. If she has a, you're setting her right props. What happens if she has, oh, she's got a princess scepter. So you choose what you want her, what you want your, okay, there's all kinds of fun stuff you can choose, okay?
Bonus 1. Add more props. 1. Add more items for your hero to pick up. Click the Add Actor button. Choose an option to draw a picture, build a character, select an asset from the media library, or upload your own image. 2. Program them to disappear when they touch the hero. Can you add armor or a bow?
Okay, so you don't have to do that.
Bonus 2. Add enemy characters. 1. Create an enemy with the character creator. 2. Program this actor to follow the hero and make the quest more difficult.
Okay, so if you want to add, you go to the character builder to get an enemy. So let's go and do trying to find a bad guy. What does a bad guy look like? Let's do monsters. Then I hit save. Okay, so there's my monster. My monster needs to be a little bit bigger. He's not big enough. Okay, so on start, forever, animate, okay, run, okay, point towards hero, move, wait.
Save your characters.
When she's talking about
Add
save,
the hero and enemy characters to your backpack in the top right of the screen. Click the backpack icon at the top right of the screen. Now you can use them in other projects.
so if you just click here and add things, like I've added code to my backpack, you just click and drag it. Now that hero is in my, and so is this one. They are now in my backpacks. So
Well done! You programmed a cool quest game. Once you've added the bonus features, press the button below and try your finished game.
So he's supposed to like point towards me, but he's not. Oh, I guess I have to change that to capital H hero. Oh, there he goes. Now he is following me around the screen. Eh. All right. Then I click I'm done, and then you take the quiz. All right.
David made an
Good luck.
actor with the character builder.